The Walkmans are not for sale, but the boomboxes are. And I have more Walkmans than I can be, rattling off. Well, here, I can do this. Let me just walk through the bathroom. Nobody really see a bathroom, but here's the other room. Oh, that door's open. Close that door. So here is, whoa, stuff in here. Pretty much everything in this room is for sale. Keep telling it to people. People aren't listening, or they want to ask me about other things. I'm only going to sell stuff that I've repaired. So I haven't repaired it, I'm not going to sell it. Understand? If I can't repair it, then I'll sell it. I'll let people know that I can't do it. And like, here's my, TX cassette case, pro tapes, only cassettes. Here's a TX. Oh my God, can I get to it? Well, there's a TX, a V480, still brand new in the box for sale. These are all cassettes. That's something, I don't remember what that is. There's one of those. Anyway. Oh, God, I'm dripping. Okay, well, yeah, I got floor to ceiling stuff. Nicely kept, organized best I could. There is my wheelchair, because I only have half a foot. Right? That's not a full foot there. Okay, I gotta go. Thanks for watching. It's been too much long on this. I don't know how huge this file is going to be, but it's going on cassette to go. Thanks for watching, and I'll post it back over to my Facebook page. This has been me. It's been live, been real. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. So now did that turn it off? That just took a picture. That's all that did. I got to hit the other button on the back here. I don't use this camera this much for making videos. Okay, so it's been 23 minutes. Good night. Bye-bye.